So we just left, waddled ourselves back out to the truck, and it's pretty good. It's probably one of the better barbecue restaurants, sides, meats, and everything. How was your nachos?
Very good. I would have liked a little more cheese.
So, a little more cheese on the nachos, but other than that, pretty good. I did steal some of her chicken, and it was really good. So where are you going to grade it out of 10?
I'm going with an 8.
That's actually what I was doing too. Everything, meats were perfect. The pork, you could actually smell the smoke on it really good. Had a, I would probably say more traditional style, but a little bit more flavor in the rub. And the brisket, same thing. It was cooked to perfection. Had a good bend and pull apart perfectly. But yeah, everything was really good. And also the sauces were delicious. The sriracha barbecue sauce, I'd put that on anything. The only thing that was a little bit less than perfection with everything else was the mac and cheese. However, the further I went in it, it got a little bit better. So that once the cheese melted a little bit more, it was a lot better. So Bear BBQ in Fletcher, North Carolina, 8 out of 10. Give it a shot.